My name is RJ Brumit, and I'm majoring in mechanical engineering. It was kind of like a long college choice I went through. So I got down to a couple different schools, very different schools, big schools, small schools. Of course, Milligan was on that list. And I chose Milligan because of the not only engineering program, but the Christian atmosphere, as well as their athletic teams. So I'm a swimmer. I enjoyed that, and I wanted to continue my career in that. And Milligan was one of the only places where I could pursue engineering fully, pursue swimming fully, and deepen my relationship with Christ as well. This is something that Dr. Harrell references, but the majority of engineers become practicing practical engineers, and a very small amount, I think it's around 10%, become research engineers. And at most of these big schools, that is pretty much all you're doing. You're doing research style work. You're not really practicing and implementing what you do. So when it comes to interviews, when it comes to getting jobs, it's hard to show you know what you're doing because all you've ever done is that research style engineering. Not to say that isn't like a key factor and something that's really important, but at Milligan Engineering, you get to apply your knowledge in the classroom and then see that applied knowledge when you get outside of the classroom. And I think it puts Milligan engineers ahead of the rest of the competition. The single biggest thing is they challenge us. You know, they give us problems right at the edge of our comprehension. So I'm thinking about some of our first labs where we're doing pumps and pipes, and we learn about, just to kind of simplify it, friction through pipes. And he pulls us over into the lab. We actually have to apply that. So we have to take data from the pump rig we have in the Eastman lab and then take that data and interpret it. But we're actually doing real world engineering and using real world data to learn. The water project down in Mexico, that was really awesome. Kind of going back to what I was talking about the pump lab, seeing them construct this huge water tower as well as this whole filtration system, after seeing what it takes just to do the basics of that in class, really opened up, how complex and integrated engineering is, but also the impact it can have on people. It's not just about, us as the individuals getting a degree, making a living for ourselves, but also the betterment of our communities, as well as applying our knowledge. So I think that project really opened that up to me, just seeing how all that complexity can be brought together with our expertise into something that really can help people. I think about some passages from Colossians saying that we're not accountable to men for our approval, but we're accountable to God, and everything we do is serving Him and giving back to Him. So it's a little bit different than if you went to another university, in that we're not just accountable to ourselves and accountable to others, but we're accountable to our faith. And so ultimately, when you choose a career path, when you choose, what project you want to work on, it is how can I best serve others, and how can I best show my faith through my career. And being at an engineering school that is also a Christian school kind of helped me shape my career path and think about in the future how I could integrate my faith into my career and give back to people.